Hey friends, it's Rachel with the Ponds Farmhouse. I'm here today to share a quick and easy, budget-friendly DIY project with you. Today's project is a little unique because it is not home decor like you're used to seeing from me. But this is a very important project and one that I found was very important for us to do in our homes. So if you like budget-friendly DIY projects, decorating your home on a budget, that sort of thing, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel here at Rachel at the Ponds Farmhouse. So let me tell you a little bit about today's project. First of all, every single air vent and heat vent that we have in our home seems to be in the most inconvenient of places, and in the bedroom is especially true because both of the heat and air vents in our bedroom are on either side of the bed. And guess what? I like to have a table beside of my bed, and I also like to have some extra storage. And so here we have our cabinet, and underneath it is our air and heat vent. So what did we do? First of all, I wasn't sure how important it was to use a vent extender to redirect the air out from underneath the cabinet. But after doing some research, we found that it is very important because you can actually damage your heat and air units if you don't extend that air out. So, and in addition, it also can damage your furniture, so that's not a good thing either. So, in checking into purchasing a heat and air vent extender, I found that they run about $20 a piece, and we needed 2 of them. So I thought, well, why don't I check into making one? And so this actually is a Dollar Tree project. I actually went to the Dollar Tree and spent $3.75 plus tax, and I have 2 heat and air vent extenders that are underneath my cabinets, and they were easy to make. So I'm going to share with you exactly how I did it. So let's take a look at what it looks like. Okay friends, here's our solution to not having to pay an exorbitant price for a vent extender beside of our bed. First of all, we took off the vent and we did some measuring, and then we headed over to the Dollar Tree store. And at the Dollar Tree store, we picked up these aluminum pans and some duct tape, just some plain old duct tape. And I'm going to show you exactly how we use those 2 items, which cost us $2.50, to make a vent extender for a fraction of what they cost in the stores. So let's get started. First, you need to measure the width of your vent and the distance to the edge of your cabinet. Once you have the measurement, then you just mark it on the actual tin pan, and then use regular scissors to cut the tin pan to that length. Then you're just going to attach your vent to the tin pan with the duct tape. You want the vent top facing downward inside the tin pan. Here's what the vent extender looks like upside down. Just wanted you to kind of see. We just took the duct tape and just basically took it around the rim of the vent here and just secured it to the actual rim of the tin pan after it was cut to size. Here's what the vent extender looks like installed. As you again can see, the duct tape is holding it in place, and then if you look underneath, I don't know if you can see it, but the vent is way back under there. But this is going to come out, this right here, this edge is going to come out right next to the end of the side table that sits here over this vent. So let's take a look at what that looks like. I apologize for the lighting. It's not the best here to be able to see, but as you can tell, that vent extender, see, it just comes right up to the very edge right here of the end of the table. And we're going to put the drawers back in, and then the air flows directly out of this vent right underneath and out into the room like it should without being obstructed. So, and as you can see, once we have everything back in place, you cannot detect the vent extender underneath the cabinet. Obviously, if you get down on the floor, you might can see little pieces of it. But It works great. We've had both of these in place now for quite a while, and they work wonderfully. So I hope you enjoyed that little tip on how to save money on vent extenders. Y'all have a great day.